Welcome to a tutorial video by A+ STEM Labs. I'm David Dickman, an Instructional Technology Specialist. This video will show you how to use the graph function in EasySense software. If you have any questions after the video, please email pd@aplusstemlabs.com. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos at aplusstemlabs.com/tutorials. Let's jump right over into the software. Today we're talking about the graph feature, which is the one that I'm going to choose from the experiment type. If you don't see graph as one of your options, you can go up to the top right corner where it says level and click the level button. Right now I'm on level 3, indicated by the 3 lines. If I hit level again, I'll now be at level 1 and graph is not an option. But that's okay, let's just click level again and graph is an option at level 2. So graph is an option at level 2 and level 3. Let's click graph to go into the graph function. The first thing that we're going to do is choose which sensor we want to record. In this example, I'll record the sound sensor. Let's uncheck the other 3 sensors. Now we're going to click next. Now we get to choose how much time we're going to be recording for. The minimum is 200 milliseconds and the maximum is 35 days. Underneath that, it says how long, what's the interval between samples. If I would choose 35 days for a total recording time, I'm going to have a less frequent option for how much time is between each sample. If I go back to something like 30 seconds, I will have more frequency between each interval. I'll leave it at the default values for now, and let's click next. The last option is whether or not we're going to have a trigger. If I wanted to, I could make it so that the trigger doesn't start recording until after the sound is above a certain value. Let's skip over that for now in this example and click finish. When I'm ready to start recording, I'll click start. And now it's recording the sound. You'll notice that the value is going up in the graph as I'm talking, and when I stop talking, it goes down. I set that the graph should record for a total of 30 seconds, so that's what it's going to record from. You'll see there's a 0 in the bottom left corner and 30 in the bottom right corner. Let's just wait a little bit longer for this to finish recording. And that's it. Now we have our graph that's recorded for 30 total seconds. I could analyze my graph by using the values button in the top. And now as I drag my mouse along the screen, I can see the different values at the different points within the graph. I could go over to interval, and then I could click and drag and see how long it took between 2 different points. In this case, it took 0.85 seconds between the 2 different points that I've selected. I'd have to click to deselect that, and now I could go to difference and see what the different value is between 2 different points on the graph. In this case, -4 decibels. So that's going to do it for the graph function within EasySense software. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please email pd@aplusstemlabs.com, and don't forget to check out our other videos at aplusstemlabs.com/tutorials.